Yung primary laptop na gusto nila, minsan nagtetend sila sa ibang brand at mostly, rather than buying those top 4 brands, at the end of the day, ito yung binibili nila. Kahit mas upgraded ang kanyang body, ang presyo niya ay hindi ganun kasakit sa bangs. If you're looking for a laptop na talagang wala ka naman pakialam sa brand, basta as long as it is powerful and yet affordable, you can try to consider this laptop. Kahit yung dito sa harap, MacBook Pro lang yung may mga ganito. Ay, kulay niya parang MacBook, no? Kulang na lang maglagay ka ng Apple logo dito. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Tito Dustin. And today, medyo post muna tayo sa mga gaming laptop. Because hindi naman lahat ng customers natin ay naghahanap ng gaming laptop. Some of our customers na naghahanap ng premium laptop pero yung presyo niya ay affordable pa rin. What we have here right now is this Chewy Corebook Air. Okay? So, probably isipin nyo, Chewy, so baka medyo hindi maganda ang quality niyan or something like that. Well, dito sa Laptop Factory, medyo matagal na ang brand na to sa amin and maganda rin naman kahit paano ang kanyang after-sale service. Kasi napakadalang dito sa Laptop Factory, we are receiving reports na defective yung Chewy. Kasi currently, ang mga Chewy na binibili namin ngayon is medyo may pagka-high-end sila. Actually, this laptop is a metal body. Hindi katulad ng mga famous brand na plastic ang kanilang chassis. Etong Chewy na ito, kahit mas upgraded ang kanyang body, ang presyo niya ay hindi ganun kasakit sa bangs. Tingnan natin kung ano yung maganda at pangit dito sa Chewy Corebook Air. We're really sorry. Actually, ang plano na dapat isushoot namin is ASUS stuff. It's just that nagkakaubusan ng stock ng ASUS stuff ngayon dito sa store natin. We are waiting for a stock replenishment. Once doon dumating, magsushoot agad tayo. But for the meantime, kasi most of our customers din naman, hindi naman gaming laptop ang hinahanap eh. Most of our customers, pumupunta dito, alam na nila yung bibili nila. Mostly, they're already eyeing on this brand katulad ng HP, ASUS, Acer, and Lenovo. However, habang nagka-canvas sila, syempre, ang daming laptops na pwedeng pagpilian eh. Yung primary laptop na gusto nila, minsan nagtetend sila sa ibang brand at mostly, rather than buying those top 4 brands, at the end of the day, ito yung binibili nila. Just a heads up, this is not a gaming laptop, but if you're looking for a decent or medyo okay na laptop, you can actually consider this. Chewy is mostly mga tinatawag natin mga underdog laptops is because unang-una, mas mataas ang specifications nila and yet hindi na compromise ang kanilang presyo. Kasi most of the top brands, ang binibili mo talaga sa kanila is yung kanilang brand itself. Even Apple, di ba? We all know na ang binibili mo sa Apple is yung kanyang pangalan. If you're looking for a laptop na talagang wala ka naman pakialam sa brand, basta as long as it is powerful and yet affordable, you can try to consider this laptop. This is color blue sa kanyang top cover, sa kanyang body, even dito sa ilalim. Of course, there's the Chewy logo dito. Itong Chewy, pwede mo palitan ng Apple logo. Ayun ang Apple logo, akala mo nakasunod space gray, gano'n. About the keyboard, yes, this is a backlit keyboard and it comes with a 3-level colors ng backlit keyboard. Merong low, medium, and high. About the feeling of the keyboard, medyo okay naman. It's not so squishy. And actually, marinig mo pa nga yung mismong tunog ng keyboard. Ayan. And may kita mo dito, no? Medyo maganda ang kanyang display. It is an IPS. Some branded laptops, tinitipid nila ang budget nila, they tend to sacrifice the screen. Rather than IPS, nagiging TN display na lang. And then, ito yung kanyang tracking pad. There's a sticker of a Ryzen 5 and an AMD Radeon graphics. It's not a gaming laptop because it comes with an integrated. Now, about the ports of this, we have here yung dalawang Type-C and an HDMI. On the other side, we have here yung kanyang USB Type-A, an audio combo jack, and ang kanyang another Type-C. So, this is already a Type-C charger, which is, yan na yung magandang charger ngayon ng mga laptops. Pwede mong gamitin ng mobile phone charger mo or pwedeng vice versa. This is actually a 65 watts. So, ibig sabihin, kung dadalhin mo to at dala mo yung phone mo, isang charger na lang, sapat na. By the way, this also comes with a bag and a Microsoft Office Lifetime. If you want to know about the inclusion of this, of course, it comes with a box and a printed materials. Just like other laptops. Kanina ko pa napapansin, actually, hindi ko na nga siya nilagay dito. Kanina ko pa hawak tong laptop na ito. Hindi ako nabibigatan dito sa laptop na ito. Well, ang tawag kasi dito is Chewy Corebook Air. Tignan natin kung gaano ba kabigat to. For its weight, it's only around 1 kilogram. And of course, the viewing angle of this is 180 degrees. And yung nakita nyo naman, pwede mo i-open ang lid nito using just a finger. About the dimension of this Chewy, the width is 31 cm, the depth is around 22.5 cm, while the height of this laptop is only 2 cm. There's a purpose kung bakit 14-inch lang to. Of course, ang habol ata ni Chewy dito is because of being light. Pero tingnan natin kung na-compromise ba yung kanyang kagaanan sa kanyang specifications. Now, let's proceed. This is an AMD Ryzen 5 6600H. It's not a U. Well, yung H processor, nakikita lang natin to sa mga gaming laptops. H means high processor, while U is yung mga tinatawag na ultrabook, mga low processors. Ang maganda naman sa low processors is about battery life na mas matagal. H kasi, since mas mataas ang processor, mas malakas mag-consume ng battery. So, this runs with 6 cores and 12 threads, and the boost clock is up to 4.5 GHz. This is already a 16 gig memory, so medyo busog na rin kahit paano. The storage of this laptop is 512 SSD. Ang isa sa maganda dito sa Chewy is yung kanyang display. This is a WXGA that's 1920 by 1200. This is an IPS display, only of course sa 60 Hz. Hindi naman kasi ito katulad ng mga gaming laptop na mga sa 120 o 144 Hz. Maganda na rin dito, this is already a 350 nits brightness and 100% sRGB. Actually, ang binibili mo talaga dito, yung kanyang display. Hindi siya OLED. Well, kasi iba kasi yung presyo ng mga OLED na mga nasa araw ng mga 50 plus na yan. But if you're looking for medyo okay din na display, try to consider this Chewy. Now, I'm not saying na bilhin nyo tong Chewy na ito. I'm still looking for magkono maganda at pangit dito sa Chewy na ito. Ang maganda dito, you can actually visit our store. You can actually feel it. You can actually test it. And currently, this is actually on sale right now na pag binili mo tong laptop na ito, meron siyang bundle na printer or monitor. But I'm not sure kung hanggang kailan yung sale na yon. But if you're watching this video from the day it was uploaded, well, currently, it's running a sale. Well, dito kasi sa Laptop Factory pa iba-iba yung sale. So, we really suggest that you visit our Blue app to check what's the updated sale that we have. Alright, camera test on this Chewy Corebook Air is sakto lang. I've encountered some Chewy laptops na talagang ang pangit ng camera quality. So, ito, medyo okay naman. So, if I'm gonna rate it out of 10, so probably this is around 6 or 7 out of 10. What you're hearing right now is the audio quality coming from this Chewy Air. Hindi ko masabing pangit eh. Actually, maganda eh. Na-okayan naman ako sa sounds, pero naghahanap ako ng something na kung ano yung pangit dun sa sounds na yun. I'm waiting for something wrong on the sounds, pero wala eh. So, sound quality, kanina nga dun sa video recording natin, malakas din naman. If I'm gonna rate the sounds is actually 7 out of 10, and comparing it to a gaming laptop mas maganda pa nga sounds yan sa mga recent gaming laptops na inano natin. We actually do a Cinebench mark. As you can see there, yung current processor natin is the Ryzen 5 6600H. If we're gonna compare this to this Ryzen 7 7000, in the single core, medyo pantay sila. Pero, of course, umaangat na ng onte. Itong si Ryzen 7 sa multi-core. However, sa Intel Core 5, medyo close lang ang kanilang processor speed. Itong Ryzen 5 6600H versus dito sa latest Intel Core 5 na 120U. And of course, it does not mean that this is not a gaming laptop ay hindi na tayo pwede mag-games. Actually, mga laptops pa rin, pwede ka pa rin mag-games kahit hindi gaming laptop. As you can see there, sa Valorant, tinry natin on medium settings, nasa 120 FPS pa rin tayo. And sa Dota 2, in medium settings, naglalaro na 70 to 100. Of course, pag medyo AAA game na, dyan na bumabagsak ang FPS. So, this is what's underneath this Chewy Corebook. So, this is aluminum. We got here the 512 SSD. I'm not seeing another M.2 slot na pwede mag-upgrade. Hindi ko rin makita yung memory kung saan dito ang memory. So, yung memory is on board. Okay, so that's kinda amazing. The storage is hindi na pwede upgrade. Pwede mong palitan, tatanggalin yung 512, tapos gagawin mong 1 tera or whatsoever. Ito yung Wi-Fi card niya, maliit. So, we got here the processor because this is a fan. And then, this is the battery. Ito yung kanyang mga sounds. So, just to wrap it up, to be honest, wala na tayong pwedeng i-upgrade dito sa laptop na ito. But for warranty, this comes with 1 week replacement from us and then 1 year warranty coming from Chewy. Okay, let's have a quick pros and cons on this Chewy Corebook Air Ryzen 5. Now, isa sa mga cons nitong laptop na ito is about the price. Ang price nito is around mga nasa 35,000. Currently, meron siyang bundle with the printer or the monitor that's worth around 3,000 din. So, parang binibili mo to ng around 32,000. Gayunpaman, meron kasi tayong mga HP laptops na nasa around 30,000 eh. And even yung mga Acer natin na Ryzen 7 5000 series, nasa around 30,000. So, si Chewy is claiming kaya ito medyo mas mahal o mas pricey is because you're also buying its premiumness. Parang sinasabi na ni Chewy na, wait, we are being stand out not just about the price, pinapakita na rin namin yung quality ng laptop. Some of you are probably hesitant, Chewy ay Chewy pa rin. Kanina, nakita natin, camera test, okay ang camera. Sounds lightweight, yes, it is, 1 kilogram. About the memory, yeah, 16 gig. Yung mga sinabi kong HP, it's a Ryzen 5, pero yung quality, yung chassis niya, it's a plastic. This is actually a metal. Isa rin sa mga cons nitong Chewy is hindi na upgradable yung kanyang storage, there's no extra slot, and even yung memory is on board, so 16 gig lang talaga siya. Another cons na napansin ko, well, definitely that's actually yung pinaka-cons niya eh. Ang pinaka-cons talaga niya yung kanyang presyo eh. Pumapasok siya sa premium level, yung iba, yes, mura sila, pero mapapansin mo yung cons nila eh. Ito, ang cons nito, hindi na-compromise yung quality niya, but yet, medyo mas mahal siya compared sa mga branded laptops. Now, let's talk about the pros of this laptop. Itong laptop na ito, hindi siya tinipid eh. Kasi nasanay tayo pag Chewy at tinipid ang materialis niyan, tinipid ang screen niyan, tinipid ang sound quality niyan. Walang Microsoft Office yan. Well, ito, may kasamang Microsoft Office at hindi talaga siya tinipid. Ano bang pros na napapansin mo? Actually, nasabi ko na all over the video, parang feeling ko nga, in myself, parang feeling ko na medyo naging bias ako. And yet, di kami binabayaran ni Chewy para gawin tong video na to, no? It's just that, probably I'm just being honest, no? From the whole na sinot namin to, parang medyo may pagka-pro side yung sinabi ko. Sinabi ko lang yung cons at the end. Kayong mag-decide, is it worth it for 35,000? Probably ngayon, sinasabi nyo, ay, hindi.
35, medyo mahal.
Try to visit the store and ikaw mismo gumamit. And baka mag-change din yung perspective mo. And hopefully, sana sa next video natin, makakuha tayo ng mga ibang laptops katulad ng Asus stuff na marami na nagre-request ng laptop na yon. And if you stay this long, a like and a subscribe on this page is really much appreciated. And again, this is Tito Dustin. Have a good day. Bye-bye.